This is an emergency alert via point of entry from the Food and Drug Administration. A total recall of mascara products, manufactured by the Cronus Company, is now in effect. The new product line, called Elude, has been tested and shown to have had toxic effects on human skin. These products were distributed during an ordered suspended distribution policy and pose a major health risk. If you have purchased an Elude line product, or any mascara items from the Cronus Company, please return the item from the retailer for a refund. Repeating, do not use these products, as they pose a health risk to the general public.
Is a civil danger alert for all residents in Chase County, New Mexico. There have been reports of some residents acting in a strange manner, posing a serious danger to themselves and others around them. These citizens have not returned the recently recalled facial products and are currently exhibiting unusual behaviors. Residents not affected by the recall should attempt to take the individuals to their nearest hospital for treatment. If they refuse or act aggressively towards you, report their behavior to local law enforcement. Do not approach those residents that are exhibiting aggressive behavior. Stay vigilant and avoid confrontations with these individuals. Repeating, this is Civil Danger Alert. This is an emergency alert via point of entry from the U.S. government. A mass evacuation order has been ordered by FEMA, Homeland Security, the Department of Defense and the President of the United States. All citizens that reside in a city or a suburb are to evacuate immediately. The citizens that have used recalled makeup and mascaras are undergoing DNA restructuring from the caustic chemical ingredients within them. They are transforming into reptilian snake-like creatures with mutative optical properties that cause matter manipulation in whatever they see when looked upon. Reflective surfaces can be used to stop the optical matter manipulation. Evacuate immediately. Lethal force to escape is authorized.